Embedding a form into a Google site. So the first thing we're going to do is open up one of our Google sites. So I'm going to go to all of my sites, and then I'm going to also make sure that I have a form created. So I'm going to go to my Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and create a quick form here. So I'll go to Create and then Form. And I'm going to call this Sample Form. And I'll just put in name and then done, and we'll just leave this as sample question, and we'll make it multiple choice, A, B, C. So now I have my form, and I can go ahead and save that. Once I've created my form, I can go back to my Google site, and for this example, I'll go to my own class site. And here's my test class site, and you can see I already have a form here. So I'm going to actually just put another form right next to it. So I'm going to delete this one to make it easier. I take that back. I'm not going to put it next to it. I'll just replace it. And I'll go to Insert, and Spreadsheet Form is the second to last option here. So I'll click that, and I see the form that I created is right at the top because they're in chronological order. If it wasn't, I could always search. So if I wanted to search another form, I could type it up here and find it, just like you could Google search anything else. So I click Sample Form, and I click Select. This allows me to change the way it looks on my site. So I could take off the title, I could change the title, I could decide whether or not it has a border, and then the height and the width. I usually leave the width blank because then it stays open all the way. And then you can also change the height so it's taller or shorter. So you hit save, and now the actual form is embedded in your site. And you see it is the whole width of the site. If I didn't want that to be that way, I can change the pixel width. Now, let's say it's Tuesday and you want to change it to the Tuesday exit ticket or Tuesday form. I can click on the form and click Properties, and all I need to do is click Change, and I can change the form. So I could just go ahead and change that to Test Form and hit Save, and now you can see that the form is different. So you don't actually have to delete the form and replace it every day. All I have to do is pencil, click on the form, click on the sprocket, and click Change. That's it.